get it down, get it right now.
What's up, guys? Saturday, July 5th. Right now, we're just getting ready to go up to Cars and Coffee and then Scottsdale. It should be a fun time. Should get some really good content of some really amazing cars. So, as always, I'll share with you guys. Please like and follow. This will be kind of like my first post. My son was yelling at me because I don't hardly ever post any videos of myself. So, anyways, here we go. Broke my $5 sunglasses. I'm gonna be standing out in the sun with nothing on unless I stop by and grab some real quick.